Where's your rice na?
Not yet. I haven't ano pa.
Okay.
After po yan. Pagbalik na lang. The table is small. I thought we will have to, what do you call this, grill.
Kasi, I discussed sa other guys.
Fish cake.
We are 5 pala.
Ha?
We are 5 pala. At 4 lang.
Still like this.
Our capacity is 5.
Yeah, I have no baby.
Ah, yeah, we're right.
What's it? I like this paper.
Technically,
Yeah, this is food, diba? The parchment.
I'm surprised. I'm surprised.
Where's the lettuce and kimchi?
Maybe you're right.
Pwede pong magnakaw ng gin.
ako. Wala naman kumakain ng kulay.
Yeah.
Ay, at saka pwede po yung rice. Ano yan? Ah, nang additional pa.
You want to take rice? You want to try na?
Oh, you can try if you want.
If you want it well done, no?
Ah, you want like
Super cook.
super cook.
Amazing.
This is your first Samgyup?
In
Second?
the Philippines? Yeah, second.
For this trip?
Yeah.
Second
Ay,
time.
third. There's one in Korea.
Ay, okay.
You go to Korean barbecue in Korea?
I don't think.
You didn't like it? Oh, this Saturday we'll go to Korea too.
We going to Korea?
When?
Yeah.
We go to Korea? We go to Korea? When we go?
December.
It's cold, no?
Yeah, it's already cold. She
Yeah.
like, that she
I
likes
can see
snow,
the-
but there's no snow
No,
in
book thing. What's that thing?
Hanbok.
No, Hamburg.
Yeah.
I think she will.
Yeah. You try that, you try.
Nice. I remember when we was there with the Chinese people, so when they take pictures.
Yeah.
Ah, is it only one?
Yeah, one each lang.
Kaya yung iba ata pwede or you want well done. Like very, very well done.
Very, very well done.
No, it's fine as long as it's brown. That's it.
Oh, you
Which one do you want?
You don't have to be.
I'll get you. You don't want the one with the fatty bit, no?
No, it doesn't matter. With this one, it doesn't matter. When I'm eating, it's just all in one. It doesn't taste anything. Hey, give me that. Oh, look at that spoon.
Ah, yeah. We're gonna ask for
Oh, wait,
one minute.
no, I don't even use chopsticks.
You want
What's
it?
it for?
They don't have. They don't have.
You don't have it?
No, wait.
You said the whole shop don't have
He's
it.
also looking for the.
Ah, yeah.
Careful, it's hot.
Apart na. Sige.
Which one do you want?
Yeah, I'm gonna try.
If you combine this, it's yummy.
Yummy, yummy. We have chopsticks.
Which one do you combine, huh?
This one.
He needs spoon. Spoon? Yes, please.
I forgot, sorry.
Which one?
If you want, we can put
Salt and
this,
pepper.
salt and pepper. I think this is
Chili.
chili eme.
Yeah.
Ay, put in here na lang. Ay. Parang kulang po pala sa amin yung isa kasi yung table. Sorry pa guys, naman dalawa.
What's this one?
Madam, say ito. Coleslaw. Ay, mozzarella cheese.
Oh, okay. That's coatless.
Yes.
Then I'll put your, ano ha, here. Wala namang ano.
Medyo
Kain na. Kain tayo. Diretso.
Kaya tayo.
Kain na tayo.
Sabi niya kanina ka pa.
ano yun sa'yo?
Sorry. Sorry. Laway ko.
Video ko. Ever in my life.
And this one.
Bingo po.
Ito din po dito. Sorry na. Umubo. Thank you po.
Pero isa pa.
Ang dami kong picture pero hindi mo nakaya.
Ano nangyari sa'yo, Aki? Thank you
Pag ano,
so much.
pag ano
Sana yun. Panicking, right?
Thank you.
Oh, let's eat.
Ano yun?
Ano yun?
Ano yun? Sige po.
Ano yun?
Ano yun? Kain. Ano yun?
Sige po.
May we can share dyan. Ito pa yung isa.
Thank you.
So this one, you put this.
On the side. So that's gonna melt.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yung ano na, not you, but us.